Welcome to BikeZone Pro, your ultimate destination for the latest updates and reviews in the world of motorcycles. In today's video, we'll dive into the 2025 Royal Enfield Sherpa 411, a bike that promises to redefine adventure touring. Let's explore what makes this new entrant from Royal Enfield a standout in its design and build. The 2025 Sherpa 411 carries the classic Royal Enfield DNA with a rugged, adventure-ready design. It features a minimalist yet bold aesthetic with a tall stance, high-mounted fenders and an exposed frame. Built for tough terrains, the Sherpa is equipped with durable panels and a reinforced chassis that enhances its off-road capabilities. Its lightweight design compared to the Himalayan makes it an ideal choice for both city rides and long expeditions. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Sherpa 411 lies a 411cc single-cylinder, air and oil-cooled engine. With an output of 24.5 horsepower and 32 Nm of torque, the bike offers a perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency. It features a 5-speed gearbox with optimized gear ratios for smooth handling on highways and challenging terrains. The enhanced low-end torque ensures a seamless ride even in demanding off-road conditions. Features and technology. The Sherpa 411 is loaded with features to cater to modern adventurers. It comes with a semi-digital instrument cluster, including a tripper navigation pod for turn-by-turn directions. LED lighting ensures better visibility, while the USB charging port keeps your devices powered on the go. Dual-channel ABS and long-travel suspension make it a safe and reliable companion for all your adventures. Ride quality and comfort. Comfort is a priority with the Sherpa 411. Its ergonomics are designed to reduce rider fatigue during long journeys. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and cushioned seat provide excellent support. Additionally, the high ground clearance and adjustable rear suspension make it easy to tackle uneven terrains. Pricing and verdict. Priced competitively in the mid-range adventure bike segment, the 2025 Royal Enfield Sherpa 411 offers incredible value for its features and performance. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a beginner looking to explore, this bike is a versatile and dependable option. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield Sherpa 411 brings a fresh perspective to the adventure motorcycle market. With its robust build, reliable performance and modern features, it's a worthy addition to Royal Enfield's lineup. Let us know in the comments what you think about this exciting new release. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BikeZone Pro for more in-depth reviews and updates. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.